Hey guys, it's John from John's DIY Playground. Today we're going to be doing a homemade DIY chicken feeder, and I'm going to be using a kit that I purchased off of Amazon. And it's a pretty good kit. It doesn't include this box, but I'm going to use a clear one because I want to be able to see how much food is left. And you could do it with a bucket, but unless I had a clear bucket, I wouldn't want to do it. So this is what we're going to use today. The kit actually does come with the hole saw you need to cut the holes into the feeder box for the ports. The only thing it's really missing is a 2mm hex key to tighten down the drill bit into the center of the hole saw. But other than that, it's pretty much everything we need. So let's get started. So I went over to my coop and I measured what my current height is of the feeders, and it's about 10 inches off the ground. So the manual says, or the instructions come with this, say go 6 to 10 inches off the ground. So I'm going to use a cinder block underneath this food feeder. And 10 inches for me is about right here. So I'm going to mark some spots. And I'm only going to do it on drill ports for 3 of the sides because I'm going to have this thing up against a wall. And so they give us 6. I'll go with the 5. And if I need to buy another set, if this works great, I'll just build another and be able to double my capacity. I currently have 14 egg-laying hens. Got my black permanent marker marks in the spots I want them. Now it's time to give this whole shot a try, and let's get drilling. Not too bad. I'm not putting a lot of pressure on there. I know I'm melting the plastic, but take your time. Then you won't fracture any of the plastic and cause cracking. With a little bit of paint, I'm wondering if these would make excellent drink coasters. They would tell a story. Since there is a little bit of burnt plastic from my drill hole saw, I'm going to use this deburring tool, but you could just use sandpaper, of course, to break some of this stuff off, or a file. But it works pretty good. Just got to kind of cut it at an angle, and you can get that plastic off of there, just so our gasket fits a little bit better. We're ready to put our port in now, so the thing we need to do first is put the gasket over this part here, like so. And then the fit's pretty good into the hole. There's a little bit of play, but with the gasket it's perfect. It's not difficult to get the port in there. Then you just take your ring and hand tighten it onto the back. The kit also comes with these handy port covers, so at night if you have some problem with critters trying to get in there and get to the food, you just take the port cover and put it into the hole, and fits in like so. Keep the animals out, and then easy to remove in the morning. Okay, well, this is the finished product. We're just going to take it into the coop now, throw some food in it, and see how the chickens react. Although I think when they see something new like this, they're going to freak out. But let's go and see. It's only been about a minute since I've stepped out of the coop so that they can have their time to wander around in this new contraption, and looks like they like it. They're eating out of it already. So far, a thumbs up, and please give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and subscribe for my new videos when they come out. This is John from John's DIY Playground. Have a nice day.